Welcome to Journey to Greatness 365. Ever wonder about the power of aligning your mind, body, and soul to unlock your full potential? What if each day offered not just a step towards personal growth, but a chance to harmonize all aspects of your life? This channel is your beacon for inspiration that touches every part of your existence. It's about embarking on a transformative journey that nurtures your complete self. Together, we're here to unlock the vast potential within you, waiting to be unleashed by a comprehensive approach to growth. You might ask, what sets Journey to Greatness 365 apart? Here, you will find inspiring messages from the heart and soul. When was the last time you heard words that didn't just move you, but spoke to your entire being, encouraging balance and unity within? Powerful affirmations. Imagine starting each day aligning your thoughts with success, your actions with health, and your inner self with peace. How might this integrated approach change your life? Practical growth strategies. What if you had guidance that focused on achieving goals, enhancing your well-being, and finding peace, encouraging unity among mind, body, and soul? So, why subscribe? What's in it for you? Envision reshaping your life step by step, where each day is an opportunity to celebrate personal achievements, enhance your well-being, and cultivate inner peace. Can you see the beauty in this journey of unity? What if your passion wasn't just a guiding light, but a force that energizes your entire being? How far could you go if every aspect of your life was in harmony? Imagine living not just the life of your dreams, but a life that's balanced and fulfilling. Who would you become if every decision and action was informed by a commitment to nurturing your entire self? That's the essence of Journey to Greatness 365. Here, we believe in an approach to growth that combines the power of motivational content with strategies that honor the mind, body, and soul equally. Our mission is to support, uplift, and inspire you in every way. Are you ready to not just dream about a better life but to live one that's fully aligned and balanced? Are you prepared to unlock the greatness within, one day at a time, with us? Click subscribe, and let's start this journey together. Let's explore what it means to live fully, embracing the unity of mind, body, and soul. Thank you for being here, ready to take the first step on a journey that promises to be as enriching as it is enlightening. Your path to greatness isn't just a dream, it's a promise of unity and balance. What step will you take today towards embracing it? I can't wait to journey with you.